What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're gonna learn about how to practice the public speaking with the Claude. So for that, let's start into the video without wasting any further time. Once you have, access the application of the Claude, you will see that there is a use voice mode option. Now we're just gonna go ahead and click that, and let's see what will happen. Because and by clicking this button, we'll be able to directly talk with the Claude because Claude is very proficient and is not going to judge us because it's an AI model. So even if you speak, if you're learning about any foreign language and you're not very proficient in it, you can still go ahead and practice it, public speaking practice, or you guys can even you practice your debate and ask Claude to actually examine and give you score rating based on that. Just go ahead and click on that and it will start the conversation. Hey Claude, how's your day going? What's up? And what's the actual weather where I am right now in Lahore?
Hey Ash, you're doing well. Cheers for asking. Let me grab the current weather in Lahore for you. Right, so in Lahore at the moment, it's hazy and quite hot actually, about 99 degrees Fahrenheit, though it feels more like 114 with the humidity. Fair chance of thunderstorms rolling in later today, so maybe keep an eye on that.
All right, so actually, Claude, making a tutorial video where I am encouraging my viewers to actually talk to you to actually learn and practice their public speaking session. So, what have you to say about it? And what's something that you want to put in this conversation so that the people can actually hear you from you, and you can let them know what they need to know for public speaking sessions with you.
Oh, that's brilliant, Ashir. I think that's a genuinely clever idea, actually. Here's the thing about practicing with me. There's no judgment, no stakes. You can restart as many times as you want. You're free to stumble, to rephrase, to find your rhythm without anyone rolling their eyes. What I'd say to your viewers, treat this like a proper conversation, not a performance. Ask me things you're curious about, disagree with me. Ask follow-up questions. That's what real speaking looks like. Don't worry about sounding perfect. Come with a topic you care about and just talk. That's genuinely how you build confidence.
And that's pretty much it from you. Thanks a lot for actually hopping up and sharing your views about the public speaking sessions. I really appreciate it. And that's it for you guys as well. Have a very nice weekend ahead. And if you like our the video, please like, subscribe, and share, and also comment down in the video. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.